What's going on, guys? Crypto Renegade here. And in today's video, I'm gonna talk about what the top 3 crypto channels that I think actually create good content. Let's get into it. But before I jump into this content, I just completely revamped my website, BitcoinLockup.com. There's some very exciting stuff coming in just a few weeks, and you can always preview my newest videos and content there before they hit YouTube or any other platform. There will also be a bonus exclusive content coming that is not going to be made available anywhere else. It's time to upset the established order.
And here we go.
Bitcoin and the boom of blockchain tech opened the doors to multiple income sources for many people. Almost everyone is in awe at the massive prices NFTs are selling for and the massive profits that early crypto adopters have already earned. And even when they look at crypto millionaires and billionaires, like the Winklevoss twins, for example, Bitcoin gave an opportunity to those who missed out on the .com boom. And the market is still in a nascent state, and just like everyone says, the blockchain, quote, is going to be the future of the internet. But with the emergence of crypto, many YouTubers have popped up claiming themselves as gurus. So with their price predictions, they are urging people to buy a specific coin, running pump and dump schemes, and some even just jumped on the bandwagon as soon as Bitcoin gained some obvious momentum. These types of people are not genuinely interested in crypto, but would rather monetize the upcoming wave of new crypto adopters and use you to their advantage. Now, if you've been following my channel recently, then you know I recently made a video of calling a few of these guys out. If not, then go ahead and see it at the end of this video where I'll link it, and I'll also put it in the description below. But just like the universe balances the bad with the good, that is why I'm here to shift gears, and I want to end this 3-part series on a very positive note, I hope. And I wanted to point out some of the best crypto YouTubers I believe in the crypto space, in my opinion. Now, these guys are more interested in educating people with their content and not some utter shouting or passively manipulating or gaslighting viewers to buy a coin so that they can go ahead and dump that all over the place. Similarly, many YouTubers create good content, and it's crucial to be able to identify the good content creators from the bad and that are actually contributing some positivity to the crypto community, adding value, as opposed to just leeching off of it. Their well-researched and deep dive videos not only explain stuff in an easy and engaging way, but also make their audience aware of upcoming scams and pointing out the big no-nos when it comes to investing in specific coins. Now, the list is not made in any specific order, so don't hold me responsible if your favorite crypto channel does not come up at the top. I cannot choose which one is the quote best channel because in my opinion, all 3 are pretty good in different ways. But I think these 3 channels are worth mentioning for the welfare of the entire YouTube crypto community. So here are the top 3 crypto channels on my list and that I actually follow myself. First is Crypto Daily. With over 200K subs and over 500 videos to date on his channel, Crypto Daily focuses mainly on Bitcoin. It is a no-brainer that he is a big believer in Bitcoin and makes videos regarding its price prediction, Bitcoin's traps, as well as upcoming major movements in Bitcoin. His content is just outright funny. Like, here's an example of something that he recently said in his latest video.
But first, please delicately caress that like button. It helps me out a lot and helps more. Don't get it twisted though. We are very much in the early adoption stage where estimates put Bitcoin users at about 2.5-ish% of the global population. To me, it feels like an unexpected slap in the face. Not because I didn't expect a slap to come, but I was surprised at the severity of it when it did.
Now, he hasn't been making content lately because he mentioned that he's just having a child, but I hope this guy returns soon. All that to say, the guy literally does crypto meme reviews.
They need to make this. Come and get your love. Come and get your. Oh, they don't like this.
So he's an idiot. Yeah.
And he goes into some in-depth research and on-chain analysis to show his viewers. What I like most about his channel is that it focuses on how everyday events can affect Bitcoin and its price and development. He does not make just those videos for the sake of putting content out there, but his videos actually make quite a bit of sense. Moreover, the videos are very entertaining. I think they're informative as much as they can be in that context. And don't get me started on the entertainment value. This guy is pretty funny.
Is going on as versus what is actually going on. I forgot to buy toilet paper. We're going to take a dive into all of those topics today, but first, why am I wearing sunglasses? Am I trying to cosplay Fiat Daily or something? No, I don't think I look anything like him. What a stupid thing to say. I got into a bit of a fight recently, and I have this distracting cut on my face. It's not that big, it's a little bruised, but anyway. Now, the story isn't all that interesting, unfortunately. I wasn't at a bar with a guy coming up to me saying some outlandish stuff like,
Tron is better than Cardano, bro. In it.
I actually sustained this injury from moving household furniture.
Crypto Daily's comic timing and the funny clips on his videos, in my opinion, are hilarious. And it is to that point that you will start rolling on the floor laughing if you really start going down the rabbit hole. As well as the thumbnails. I can't even tell you how funny they are, in my opinion. Just head over to his channel and I guarantee that his videos and his great sense of humor will seriously make you laugh and at least brighten your day, if nothing else.
Purifying taste that is drinking this. Today's video isn't actually meme reviewed.
Crypto Daily also has a very good Twitter following with over 54,000 followers. The channel does not shy away from putting his views out there on what he thinks. Like, I liked his video where he's being ultra realistic about how no major nation will one day wake up and fully replace its currency with Bitcoin entirely. Now, in my opinion, this type of content needs to be out there as many other crypto YouTubers give their viewers the fake perspective on how Bitcoin will completely replace the entire world currency and reserves. These guys aim to keep it realistic and grounded in reality, yet being optimistic. And if you head out to @crypto_daily on Instagram, you can find his first video clip on why he thinks Bitcoin is valuable.
So Bitcoin's valuable as a storage of value. So for example, gold. Instead of having domestic currency, you can buy gold. And it's less susceptible to market manipulation, inflation, give or take. And its validity can be certified. Its value can be equivalated to a certain type of carat. Same for Bitcoin. Except you can't wear it like you can with gold, there's that. But you can transport it around the world very quickly, and it's just more convenient, I guess.
The video is a goldmine when it comes to his brilliant insights and, in my opinion, very honest approaches. And this is the very same approach that he has continued with in all of his videos. He's very consistent in that regard. Now, we all know how practical and creative memes are. They help in critical thinking and showcasing a particular viewpoint while making you laugh at the same time. Crypto Daily also does crypto meme reviews, which allows more people towards the crypto space and unites them all under one roof. The channel had been consistently posting daily all of these years, but as I mentioned earlier, in the last 3 months, he suddenly went dead silent on all of his social media. Again, presumably because of his new child that he mentioned in one of his videos. The channel's latest tweet was from November 3rd, and most of his viewers are actually posting that they miss his engaging and funny content. So, Crypto Daily, if you're seeing this video, brother, I hope that you're okay, and I hope that you do decide to come back and create more content for us, as it's very good. Coming in at number 2, or any number that you want, is Chico Crypto. Now, the guy behind the channel is called Tyler Swope. I did some digging on the internet and found that he is an MBA graduate from California State University with a specialization in finance, marketing, and business strategy. I would say a pretty worthy background for crypto YouTubers, as we need to tackle trend lines and boring charts with all of our analytical skills and the ability to, quote, read between the lines. But according to his YouTube About section, he is a diehard crypto investor and has been investing in Bitcoin since late 2013. Interesting. He's one of those really, really early adopters and saw the future of what Bitcoin could provide. Big respect for you, brother. I mean that sincerely. You and I are not that different. He's also diversified his portfolio and is honest about his investments. Some of his investments are in, for example, he's very bullish on Ethereum, was early on Chainlink, MakerDAO, and 0x Protocol. The channel's tagline is, quote, the most trustless name in news. I found it quite clever, and we all know that Bitcoin, of course, is a trustless network. This showcases his wit, and if you watch his videos, you'll feel exactly what I'm talking about.
Hey viewer of the tube, my name is Tyler, the host of the crypto channel that knows you've been craving to get your fill, kind of like these ducks and peas.
In my opinion, almost all of his videos have a really good analysis, and this spreads knowledge in the point size and in a very engaging way. His video editor is pretty good too.
What I have to say about this is Cardano will not be getting deployments like that out the gate. Moonriver, Kusama, and Polkadot have been building with the EVM in mind, and Cardano hasn't. Building with the EVM in mind is the winning strategy.
There are some projects that he's liked. The Ethereum killers or copycats that didn't quite live up to the hype, he calls people out on their bullshit. But Chico is honest about it, and this is what I really like about him, his integrity.
Branch that far out of the Ethereum ecosystem, as I learned my lesson trying just that in 2017 with the Ether competitors back then. I looked at EOS, talked about IOTA, covered Tezos, and regrettably liked Neo. Big mistakes, as all of these are still ghostly chains to this day, even in the hype of a bull run. Don't do like I did and give up the ghost.
Making a correct analysis of Ohm.
Something new to the table? What about Olympus DAO? Me and my ohmies go Om.
That was not a buy alert or a suggestion, but specifically a short analysis, also calling out those meme coins that don't have any underlying tech.
So I'm looking for the real in the space, projects who are pushing crypto forward, changing the world with their dApps protocols and their own revolutions. Maybe that's why I've been so depressed lately. I've seen the space taken over by Shiba, Winu, Tinu, Baby Doge, Doink, Poink, Floki. Jesus Christ, why are people so stupid to invest in this crap?
Chico also has 25K plus followers on Instagram, and he seems to have developed a good community around himself. Another thing that I found pretty interesting is that he regularly posts all his videos and live streams on theta.tv. So for all of those who don't know, Silver.tv is the parent company of Theta.tv and is a decentralized video sharing platform on the blockchain. Their viewers can convert their ETH to T-Fuel, the native currency of Theta, and reward their favorite creators directly. That's a big wow. Tyler is also bullish about crypto and uses a decentralized platform to safeguard his community and its contents. Now, there have been multiple cases where YouTube has blocked channels just for putting opposing approaches out there. I'm a very good example of that. It seems like he is as diversified as he can get, both in his investment portfolio and in his content strategy. I, in fact, could learn a thing or two from him. Chico Crypto also puts quite a bit of content about airdrops and different ecosystems that most people haven't even heard about yet.
Like crypto airdrops that can make you rich just for using the world of DeFi. So are you ready for the next drop? Well, get yourself ready for the parachute. I would visit each of these rewards pages, starting with DYDX. Go to their rewards page and dashboard, which I've included down in the description. There, connect your ETH wallet, and if you're eligible, then you will see your rewards under allocation. Get a check-in, as some people have claimed 6 figures from this airdrop. How about Ethereum name service? Well, US persons are actually eligible for this one, and since I have an address that hasn't claimed yet, I will walk you through the process. Go to their claim dashboard, which can be found in the description as well. Connect the wallet you have your ENS domain names in. You will then be taken to the page showing you how many tokens you have available to claim. And then click Start Your Claim Process.
This is very interesting as it gives his viewers the direct benefit of holding on to cryptos. And in this case, the benefits of passive income or dividends are just by holding on to the good ones, in his opinion. And of course, the last channel here is Crypto Renegade. Now, my channel is, in my opinion, of course, biasly the most underdog channel in the crypto space. If you have been following my channel for any period of time, then you probably already know that. You know that I don't tend to make price predictions, and I focus on evergreen content and some deep dives into some of the most diverse cryptos out there. All of my videos are full of informative videos, mainly focusing on the basics of crypto education and crypto security. Moreover, I'm a firm believer in crypto hardware wallets. Buying Bitcoin and altcoins is great, but you know what is even more fantastic? That is safekeeping your crypto in hardware wallets, protecting your private keys. Yes, multiple sites provide services for you to store your crypto, but all of them are centralized custodians. So I prefer to keep my coins in my possession in hardware wallets. And if you head up to my website, BitcoinLockup.com, you can get my free ebook on 7 best ways to secure your crypto private keys for free. My main goal with this channel is to help people out of debt, poverty, and help some people secure their own crypto. And my strategy flawlessly aligns with that main goal, I think. So I've received many comments and DMs on my Instagram on why I named this channel Crypto Renegade. And I want to explain my view on this today. We all know a single force cannot control Bitcoin and largely most cryptocurrencies. They rebel against the established order. Basically, they're renegades. And I'm here to help create a community centered around my fellow renegades with my crypto-centered content, mainly security, possession, property. And if you've been following me for a long time, then you know that my channel was banned for a couple of weeks last year. It was a pretty tough time. I was gaining some good momentum before that, and the ban basically put a stop on all the growth that I had been building up over that time. Moreover, my videos might not be quite algorithm friendly. I put some unbiased views which go against the mainstream narrative, and basically I tend to speak on certain subjects which the algorithm does not like, needless to say. So I have decided not to put all of my eggs into the YouTube basket and this year in 2022 and focus on where I can put some more in-depth content, analysis, and some of my personal beliefs and feelings, most importantly, uncensored. You might get an idea of what I'm talking about from my intros. I'm gonna make some announcements about it around March, and I don't know whether it will be successful or not. But I have made up my mind on where I'm heading next. Stay tuned for the announcement to come very shortly. So let's roll the dice and find out what the future holds for this channel. If you like this video, then make sure to press the subscribe button and the bell notification as well. It really does help me out. I hate saying that, but it's what the algorithm wants. This way, YouTube will notify you of my content, and it will really go a long way in helping me continuing making content just a little bit longer. I will see you guys in the next Renegade Army in the next video. Until then, Crypto Renegade out.